Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw a space rocket. I've done quite a few space stuff recently. We've got a UFO, spaceman, aliens. So I thought I'd do a rocket as well. So first of all, I might start with the point of the rocket, which is here. We're going to try and come to around there. So you just draw a line like that to start with. Like that. Then we're going to do a cross to there. And the same to there like that. And then what I would do if I was you, I would turn your page, but I just want to do it like this so you can see what I'm drawing. You can turn your page so your hand's in an easier position to draw with. So here we go. Just like that. And then I'm going to draw on there. And another one. Try to keep it parallel, but it's not that easy. See, the line's not quite parallel there. That's not perfect. But if you do it with a pencil first, I always draw with a pencil first. And then when I make a mistake, I can rub out and change it. And if you sketch like that with your pencil, it makes it easier rather than trying to do a perfectly straight line. I always do that before I start, and there's nothing wrong with doing that. Oh, there we go. And then you just drag over the top after. So that's, and then we're going to have the same on this side. Like that. Can I meet it? That was lucky. I want some fire coming out at the back. So, how are we going to do this? Maybe like that, and then in, and then like that, and then in, and then maybe like that, and then around here. I've got two on that side, two on that side there, so I'll connect this to here. So they match a little bit. And let's try and do the same on the inside. Just so you can colour it a different colour. I think it looks better. So, like that. I do think it looks better if you've got two, so you can have that yellow and that orange, and you could even put one on the edge and maybe have a red. Then we need a window. This can be difficult to draw a perfect circle, so you could use a compass. Or draw it, I would say draw it with pencil and go over the top, but I'm going to have a go. I'm not the best, so I'll try. Just nice and slowly. Makes it a bit easy if you go slow. That's like that. Then we need a ring on the outside. Like this. Just try and keep it exactly the same. There we go. See, I didn't meet quite well there. If you do it with pencil first, I'm sure you'll do it. So we want some little circles here. To make it easier, I'm going to do three. So I'm going to do one directly in the middle. Then you could do one at each side, so you know you're going to get them in the right place. This is where they join it together. There we go. So again, same again. One in the middle, and then just makes it a little bit easier. And that's it. That's a rocket done. You could maybe draw someone, you could draw maybe an alien or a monster or a cat. What about a cat? Driving a, or a person maybe, whatever you like. Make something up. So I would love to see your pictures. If you would like me to put them on my Facebook page, I will put them on there. You can just send me them through the links below, either my email or directly through my Facebook page, and they are below. And thank you very much. Oh, what you could do on yours, actually, I forgot, is maybe do some planets or stars or galaxies or anything, I don't know. Have a look at space, go and look on the internet, maybe Google, and have a look at space, see what you can find. You could do a background, or you could just colour it, or you could do nice coloured sky. That would look good. Different colours. Maybe like a bit like that. I've got some different colours in the sky on there. Don't know. It's up to you. Use your imagination and creative and send your pictures in. So thank you for watching. I will hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.